Yum, 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 yum. Money, 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 money. So this boat just came in. The floor was peeling in the front there, as you saw. It was going muddy, 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 muddy. And so I'm gonna peel this floor back some more and see how loose it is and make the final assessment. But you know what? If you're gonna do this job right, you might as well just start off from the transom and work your way forward. But let's see how bad it is to begin with. Well, that came out a little too easy. Barely used any muscle to pull that floor out. So as you guys can see, I pulled it back all the way to the transom there. And now we're gonna begin the process of getting it all cleaned up. So now that we've got the outer layer all masked off, or taped off, we're now gonna do the inner layer. Now we're gonna sand and clean. Remove all this old glue and get the surfaces prepped for the new batch of glue that's going to go on there. So now that I've got all these surfaces all cleaned up here, I now have to work my way over here. As you can see, I started already on this side. Let's see the difference. This is just starting, so this here's a little bit. Alright, so now that everything's all cleaned up, I'm just going to give it one quick little wipe down, and then we're going to start the gluing. And for the gluing, because it's only me, and it's just a one man doing this, I'm going to end up just doing one side at a time. And slowly working my way around. So I'm going to start off with this side, and then I'm going to work my way over to that side, and I'm going to start doing these angle pieces. One second. Okay, so I got the first layer of glue down. Timer's about to go off, so I'm going to do the second layer now. You guys will see this is all nice shiny with the new glue on there. Alright, so now that the glue is all laid down and it's waited its time to stick, let's get this bad boy going. So now that I got everything lined up, I'm now going to take my hard pressure roller and start adding the pressure to where it needs to be. Alright, so now that I've got the first half of the floor glued in place, I'm now gonna start doing the rest of this stuff. I'm gonna do my final layer of glue here, and then we're gonna do the final assembly of the floor, flip it over, and see if these inner pieces got lined up properly. So, she did shift a little bit off to the side here, so I'm going to have to tape it and just clean it up a bit. Looks like it's already cleaned up and I already had it lined up prior, but I wasn't following my gut feeling. So yeah, I'm going to retape these areas up here. Do some glue touch-ups, and this side's good, and then we'll flip it over on the inside and make sure everything on the inside. Do the final rolling on these touch-ups here, and then flip her over and start to do the inside. Alright, so as you can see, everything lined up pretty good. So I'm going to pull the tape off and just do the final pressure on this so everything can stick up nicely. And this boat should be done. Alright, so the floor is all in, as you guys can see. I'm going to be putting the keel in very shortly, just got the glue in there. Once the keel goes in, I'll let this boat sit off to the side and cure for a bit, and she's ready to go back in the water. So let's put this keel in and get it going again. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Floor's all in, she's all lined up. Hope you all enjoyed it. There's going to be plenty more coming down the road here. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next repair or build. Stay safe and happy boating. Thanks for watching.